Why do people in Houston, Texas come to American Dent Specialists to have glue put on their car? It's because we're good at it and know what to do with it. Sometimes on your vehicle, you may get a small door ding or hail damage in an area of the vehicle that is not accessible from the back of the panel. Thank God that glue pulls and glue repair exists. We have specialized methods, techniques, and tools that we can repair your vehicle from the outside of the panel using glue, specialized hammers, Kangaroo leather, all sorts of ingenious tools to bring your vehicle back to its original pre-loss condition. When using glue to remove dents from vehicles, you want to use an expert level technician. You can damage your vehicle because the strength of the glue can sometimes even pull the panel off, if not just stretch it beyond repair. Here at American Dent Specialists, our expert level technicians have thousands of hours of experience specializing in the repair of your vehicle, whether it's accessible, not accessible, hail damage, small dings, or even collision. At American Dent Specialists, we're here to help.